Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Speak Ukrainian. Today I'm going to teach you some very hot Ukrainian sexy vocabulary. Oof. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, ви готові? Are you ready? Почнімо! Let's get started. Guys, I'm not going to teach you some rude or naughty vulgar words that start with the F letter. And to tell the truth, if I had a foreign boyfriend or husband, I wouldn't like to hear this kind of words during some very intimate or romantic things. Oh my god, I'm shy. So therefore I'm going to teach you some very beautiful words that you can use, and I'm sure that your Ukrainian beloved person would like to hear them. So I'm going to start with the word sex. And sex in Ukrainian language is sex. Так? Легко. Sex. Okay, it's a noun. Так? Сексуальний, sexual, is an adjective. Сексуальний and сексуально is an adverb. Sexually, сексуально. So let me give you some examples how we use an adjective and an adverb. So an adjective we use with a noun. For example, сексуальна гра, sexual game. Сексуальна гра, and we make gender agreement. Please repeat it, this topic. Сексуально is an adverb. We use it after the verb. Like виглядати сексуально, to look sexually, виглядати сексуально, or танцювати сексуально, to dance sexually, танцювати сексуально. Okay, so sex, сексуальний, сексуально. Okay. The next words are спокуса, temptation. Спокуса is also a noun. Спокусливий, спокусливий, seductive. Спокусливий. Любитися, to love. So you know a noun, любов, love, like я люблю тебе, I love you. But любитися is the reflexive verbs, that means to love. Also we can say кохатися. I like this verb more because you remember a noun кохання, love, and you can say я кохаю тебе, I love you. So what's the difference between я люблю тебе and я кохаю тебе? Я люблю тебе, I love you, you can use it and say about anybody and say it to anybody. Like you can say to your mom, мамо, я люблю тебе. You can say to your friend, подруго, я люблю тебе. But я кохаю тебе we use only with the beloved people. So you can say it only to your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. Я кохаю тебе. I love you. So the verb кохатися, it means to make love. Кохатися. Okay, how also we can say to make love, to have sex, is займатися сексом. Займатися сексом or мати sex, to have sex. But this verb займатися is a very good one, and I recommend you to remember it because you can use it in different situations. Займатися we can translate it in Ukrainian or in English as to do, to make, to go in for, to practice. So for example, займатися спортом, to go in for sport. Займатися прибиранням, to do cleaning. Займатися медициною, to practice medicine, etc. And also you can say займатися сексом, to have sex. Або мати sex, literally to have sex. So, любитися, кохатися, займатися, these verbs are reflexive ones, so please pay attention. We conjugate them in the same way as simple verbs, but we just need to save this reflexive ending sound, so it's easy. Okay, the next one, втіха. Втіха, it means pleasure. Втіха. Also, we can say the word задоволення, pleasure also. So, отримувати задоволення, like to get pleasure, to get satisfaction. Отримувати задоволення. Задоволення. Nice word, I like it. Еротика. Erotica. Еротика. Erotичний. Erotic. Again, this ending E. You know that this is an adjective. Еротичний. Erotично. Erotically. Erotично. Oh my god, I'm shy. I hope my flag won't fall down as it was when I taught you how to swear and curse in Ukrainian language. Do you remember that video? If you haven't seen it, please watch it. It is very popular on my YouTube channel. And I think this one about sex vocabulary will be popular too. Okay, let's continue. Another very good word. Грайливий. Playful. So you know the word гра, it means a game. Грати, to play, and грайливий, playful. Playful. Грайливо, playfully. So this ending O tells about that this is an adverb. Грайливий, playful. Грайливо, playfully. Цілуватися, to kiss. Цілуватися. Again, this is the reflexive verb. Цілуватися. So поцілунок, a kiss. Поцілунок. Цілуватися, to kiss. Обійматися, to hug, to embrace. Обійматися. And обійми, it's hug, but it's a plural noun in Ukrainian language. Обійми. But обійматися, it's to hug or embrace. Фліртувати, to flirt. It comes from the noun flirt. Flirt. Фліртувати, to flirt. Okay. Okay. Пестити, to fondle or caress. Пестити. Розпуста, пестити. So these words, they have the same root. So they are very common. And also you can use them with your beloved person, and it will sound beautiful, romantic, and you can make your date or your common time together very special and beautiful. Okay, and some more words that I would like to teach you. Oh my god, I hope I will pronounce their translation well in English. Розпуста, licentious. Розпуста, розпусний, licentious. Oh my god, I hope I pronounce it well. Розпусний and розпусно, licentiously. Розпусно. Розпуста, розпусний, розпусно. Okay, so guys, please write in the comments below what is your favorite Ukrainian sexy words. I like the verb кохатися. It's my favorite one. Кохатися, to make love. It sounds beautiful. Я кохаю тебе. I love you. Коханий, кохана, my love. It's very romantic. Really. Okay. I hope you find this video lesson very useful and you will start using these words in your life. Please write in the comments below what are the interesting vocabulary you would like to learn in Ukrainian language, but you're shy to ask your teacher to do that. You know that I'm your outspoken teacher and I can teach you everything. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Please support my YouTube channel on Patreon. You can also donate with the super thank button here. If you want to learn Ukrainian language more, please check out my online school Speak Ukrainian at speakia.com. There you will find private lessons, online courses, textbooks, flashcards. We have an app, Speak Ukrainian, and also, guys, I have a charity store. Buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life, and all profit I send to Kherson volunteers who help to to this you heard about this catastrophe at Kakhovka Dam, and it was exploded by Russian army. It's horrible, so if you want to help, you can do it with the help of my store. Дуже дякую, thank you so much. Your teacher Ina, ваша вчителька Ina, and papa. Bye-bye.